What's up, you guys? Tribe Twins here. In today's video, we are going to be trying to make a pumpkin spice latte at home.
I'm wearing my Starbucks hat for me a little at-home barista today.
She works at Starbucks.
And I kind of like know the recipe. It's a really simple recipe. It's not like some kind of big secret thing. You know, you just have your pumpkin sauce and you just pretty much just a normal latte, but with pumpkin sauce in it. So we're just going to make our own version at home. We don't have like the whipped cream or anything. We have mostly everything else.
I feel like this is going to be a slightly healthier version.
Yeah, it is, because the ones at Starbucks, that pumpkin sauce has sugar in it. Ours has, I think, like just a little bit.
Yeah, this is what we have is like the canned pumpkin puree from the store, and it's not like the pure pumpkin. It's the pumpkin pie puree, so it comes with some sugar in it. But I don't think it's like too much. I don't really know. You can find it at the store. All you'll probably need is like the 8. If there's like the 8-ounce can, which you'll probably need, which you're not gonna need all of it for this.
I know, it smells pretty good. We also have the pumpkin pie spice topping, which that's pretty important because every latte at Starbucks is supposed to have that if it's a pumpkin spice latte.
You can sprinkle it on the top too, especially if you put in whipped cream. And if you just want to know, if you don't have this, which is kind of extra, it literally what's in it is cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. So if you have that,
literally Starbucks.
Yep. All right, and so then we also have some sugar, which, like we said, that's kind of optional if you think that the sugar in your pumpkin puree will be enough. But if you have like the pure pumpkin mix, you probably will need sugar.
It's just either it's like a cane sugar, brown sugar, anything like that,
or like a calorie-free sweetener too. Like if you have stevia, you can use that as well.
We also have like a skinny syrup, which also another sugar-free option. This is caramel pecan, which I've heard is similar to like the chestnut praline that Starbucks used to have. So that's pretty cool. It's like adding that to pumpkin spice lattes. That'd be pretty good.
And that's optional. Like you don't have to buy that if you don't have it. That's definitely optional. Or if you have like a vanilla syrup, that'd be good too.
And we have a non-dairy milk or almond milk. Starbucks has coconut and soy milk, but I think they're getting oat milk soon.
This is vanilla, so you can also use normal, but I do think vanilla probably tastes a little bit better, especially if you don't have vanilla extract, which we don't.
And our favorite, like non-dairy, is probably almond milk. We just like it.
That's good. And as you see, we have these coffees in the back, but you don't like need a bunch of coffee.
So that's your little Starbucks bag collection.
What we're gonna be using is this blonde espresso roast, because that's what they at Starbucks, like in the pumpkin spice lattes, they use espresso. So this is the only espresso mix that we have. I think it's the blonde, which also has the most caffeine. So bear that in mind.
So you could use any coffee. We have all kinds. We got dark blonde, decaf, medium. We got so many roasts. I got too much coffee, you guys. I don't even drink coffee at home really, but whatever. We got it.
Espresso makes like the richest taste.
It smells good. The beans smell good. Y'all smell it.
I know, y'all need to smell it. It's gonna make me high. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this isn't ground already. You'll probably have ground coffee, but if you don't, all you need is a coffee grinder, which we have here.
My mom got one this year because, you know, got these coffee bag beans.
She says it tastes fresher.
Yeah, she's all about fresh coffee. A lot of people are all about fresh coffee. Honestly, I'm going to tell you guys, I don't really know that much. If you give me a fresh coffee versus fresh coffee, I probably won't even realize. Pretty bad, but I'm not like a heavy coffee drinker.
I feel like I'll notice the roast maybe. I feel like I like blonde roast the way it tastes the best, but it has the most caffeine, so I don't actually drink it that much. But yeah, I can't really tell the difference, I don't think, between fresh and not fresh. So we have our espressos here, and it's beans. So we're gonna make 2 cups.
Yeah.
So I think probably 2 tablespoons per cup would be good, I think so. And then, yeah, that's what it says on here at least. It says 2 tablespoons of this plus 6 fluid ounces of water or milk in our case, since we're doing a latte. So yeah,
milk wise, I'm gonna use like hot water too. So I'm not gonna use almond milk because we like almond milk in this house. Yeah. So I like to preserve as much almond milk as we can.
Anyway, I'm not going to be measuring it right here because what they need is 2 tablespoons of ground coffee, not 2 tablespoons of the beans. Because you know the beans, I feel like it's less, or like they're bigger. So I don't know. Explain it, but y'all know. Okay, so of course this is all kind of extra. You don't have to do this, but Anyways, I've done this before. Okay, sorry. That caught me off guard.
Yeah, it's so nice. It's kind of peaceful. It's a bit calm.
I don't know how much I can grind it, but I'm making it nice and fine, you know? Like some fine coffee. Yes.
That was such a house.
It's so fine, y'all. It's like sugar grains.
Yeah, that's beautiful. It's beautiful.
So we have here is this teaspoon measurement. So I know math. So 3 teaspoons is 1 tablespoon. Looking at this, it doesn't look like it's gonna be 6 teaspoons, which will be 2 tablespoons. So probably have to grind more. But for the time being,
We're gonna focus on something else.
we'll at least start our milk.
Yeah. We got this hot pot right here.
So
There's somebody with a hot pot. It's perfect.
I just poured. This is the other coffee in here. Okay,
So I don't know
so
if I'm gonna pour the hot. I think I'm just gonna pour the hot water in and mix it a little bit in this pot.
what it says is 12. We'll need 12 ounces for 2 cups. So we'll probably add some milk in here too. I don't actually know what 12 ounces.
We just gonna eye it, you guys. It's okay. This is our house.
I know that 1 cup
Let's
is
just kind
8
of estimate.
ounces.
This is a cup that I'm not even. This is a nice cup we have. I don't think I'm actually gonna use this though. That's a lot in there. So they're just gonna base it off of this size.
Alright, so pretty sure 12 ounces is 1.5 cups. Yeah, that makes sense. So let's add a little bit more. Alright, so we just added a little bit of water in here just because we didn't want to use so much of our almond milk. We didn't buy it after all. And our stove is on like medium high, so that's 7 on our stove.
Ooh.
And pretty quickly the milk is already bubbling a little bit, but like it hasn't started boiling. You don't want it to boil. Like, you know, take it off before it starts boiling. You don't want to burn your milk, but like leave it on there enough for it to get hot. All right, so as we kind of wait for that, I think the 2 essential ingredients to mix together would be the coffee and milk.
Yeah, pretty much. Well, and then of course putting this at the bottom of the cup. I don't know, at Starbucks we just put it at the bottom of the cup and then we add the espresso on top, then the milk. But I don't know if our milk is gonna be hot enough for all that to mix as well. But
Probably it should get pretty hot.
I hope so. Because Starbucks is just hot, it's ready. You just steam that milk and it's good to go. But okay, it's kind of thick. I think it's just
Yeah, so we're gonna just kind of use what we have left, which if you want to think of it for you, kind of think about 2 tablespoons per cup.
Oh yeah, this is clearly a tablespoon, you guys. Yeah. Good. And that's hard spinning. I don't know what size this would be. I feel like this would be between a grande and a venti.
But we're like,
actually, so
it's gonna be about 6 ounces of milk. So I don't really know what size that would be at Starbucks.
it's 6 ounces. Yeah, that's actually pretty small though. I think. You know what, you guys? We're gonna leave it like that.
She's a fake barista.
I know, I'm not. I might work there, but I don't make drinks right. Okay, so next.
All right, so actually we kind of forgot this a little bit, but you can't just put the coffee directly into the milk. You're gonna have to put it like in your coffee maker with a little bit of water so that there won't be grinds in the actual drink.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing. We're filling up this puree K-Pod with the espresso, and then we're gonna put it in here with just like a little bit of water, like clicking that one, and then you need a cup under it.
Yeah. I catch it. Oof, that was fast. Yeah, I honestly feel bad because we almost really just put those coffee grinds straight into the pot. And I think if I did not work at Starbucks and I remember that we used filters for our coffee, I probably would have been, okay, that sounds like a good idea. Woo, well, we're struggling over here. All right.
I do want to say, like, you guys could probably do this mess in a blender too, like the Ooh, wow, y'all. This is what happens when you don't watch.
This is what happens when you leave teenagers. Burn the house down.
Y'all, we almost just made a mess on our stove.
What in the world?
I would not know how to explain that to our parents. But alright, so the coffee is done. The milk look about ready to me. I don't know.
I don't know. I just feel like it's not hot enough. I'm gonna put it back.
Alright, we're just gonna have
Y'all
to learn from us, watch it. Make sure it doesn't overflow. I'm scared. Is this enough? This isn't even enough espresso.
Yeah. Well, actually, normally, I guess espresso is that real espresso? Cause real, this would be definitely good. All right, guys. So at Starbucks, we pour the espresso on top of the sauce, which I don't know if this is gonna go at home, and I don't know if this espresso is as strong as the one. It really probably isn't. I'm serious about that. Because this one at Starbucks is like straight espresso. This is water.
This is it says an espresso roast.
Yeah, and it has some water in it. But at Starbucks is in a machine. It just comes straight out as espresso. But that's what you do. You're gonna put the in. At Starbucks, we're always trying to get the milk on quickly after.
Made a mess.
So, but quickly after, it's like the espresso shots don't die. But I don't think these are real espresso beans. I don't think it matters.
So we can add the milk on top now, or what are we doing?
We're gonna let them die. Alright, add them. Sure.
Alright, y'all. This is barista quality pouring right here. Yes, sir. Alright, so don't drink it straight like that, y'all. Blend it. You know, I mean, not blend it, like mix it together.
We're just gonna try it before we. No, whatever.
Probably take like a stir.
I think that to even. I don't think we even need enough. Anyway, I'm gonna add more water.
All that in one cup.
It's not that much. It's like a small size.
I think she made too much, y'all.
I don't think so. But
Well, she said maybe not. All right, so I'm mixing that together. I'm gonna try it just to tell you guys. Oh wait, we haven't even put any of the pumpkin pie spice.
oh yeah, if we have whipped cream, it'd be so much prettier, but it's gonna be good.
I know, y'all.
So
fish. We had like the thing.
Sounds kind of a lot. I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
Hopefully it'll taste like a pumpkin pie.
Yeah.
And then you can actually haven't added any sweetener in here yet, so that's gonna be the test. I'm gonna see if it's like if we need to add sweetener with just the pumpkin puree. Is it hot?
It is hot. It's not bad. I do think she might have put a little too much spice, but it's very, a little bit, like, I can feel the cinnamon. It's not, like, bad, but it's definitely not as sweet as, like, what you get at Starbucks. I think, like, if you don't like sweet drinks, I think this would be perfect for you. Like, as a pumpkin spice latte. The one at Starbucks, the pumpkin sauce has quite a bit of sugar in it, so I think to make a mock one at home, you definitely have to add some sugar to get it be, like, a pretty good copycat.
So I'm kind of just going to eyeball this. But this is a serving of this is 2 teaspoons. So just kind of consider that's about 2 teaspoons. And that's stevia. So if you have sugar, you can just keep all those measurements in mind.
I think any sugar is sugar or brown sugar.
Let's taste test it, y'all. That's better. I think that tastes pretty good. Ooh. But I do wish we had some whipped cream. That would help. All right, now the barista is about to try her drink. We're gonna hit it with that clink, clink. Yes, sir. Let's go.
I think it's about to be hot. Should I drink? Did you drink straight from the straw?
Mm-mm.
Oh, I was thinking.
That's weird. It's a stir. It's not a straw. And I'll be honest, y'all. I added a little bit more of this pumpkin puree in here because I was trying to use it up. And girl, this mess tastes good. Like it tastes real. Once I added about another spoon.
I mean, that's pretty good right there, but
it actually tastes like a pumpkin spice latte. I'm very happy.
I'm gonna, instead of adding that, I'm gonna add a little bit of this. I might do a little both.
So, moral of the story is, taste it as you go. Like, you don't rely on the recipe. Once you get it, you know, just keep going until it tastes good to you.
You want it? Starbucks is a bit more orange than this.
Oh, I didn't realize that. Yeah, this looks like coffee. Like, if I gave this to somebody, they would think this was coffee.
Ours, you would kind of know. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of a pumpkin pie in a cup.
Like that. Alright, so that's the video. Now we're just gonna have to clean all this mess up. The part you guys don't want to see.
It was worth it.
Enjoy this. Yeah.
I'm happy.
And if y'all have like, you have like some protein powder, you can make yourself a cup of coffee. I don't know. I've seen
Cup
that.
of what?
Coffee.
And
That's what they
what
call
now?
them.
Protein coffee.
Pinterest. Yeah, protein coffee. I think that would taste good. Just saying.
You'd be surprised when people actually come over at Starbucks and ask us if we have like protein drinks or keto.
Do you?
No.
All
When
right.
people ask for keto, we say a black coffee because that's it.
Well, if you guys want a video, a Q&A about Starbucks, we can bring that to y'all.
I don't know if I'll do it though. Don't stop trying to get fired.
But yeah, you know, we might have another Starbucks video coming. I don't know. It'd be cool, like an interview just with her then.
Yeah, I don't have any problem with them. So
This is good. I hope you guys tried it. And if you did, comment down below. And check out some of our other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our socials. Yeah.
say happy drink.
And
Let's try it.
I will see you in the next one.